This is an MCC production.
Y'all got autographs already for him?
Go, Chris.
Come on.
Yo, right there. Hey, you're gonna drop that anyway.
No pressure, it's all on you.
Come on, y'all now.
How do you feel about that perfect game right now? Come on, Dave. I think it's about to end. Yeah! Yeah, that's a hot shot.
Error.
Come on.
Yes, sir. Yeah, dude. I mean, the funny thing about it is, I don't think they're worried. I think they're going to hit it over there anyway.
The former running back for the Washington Redskins, Ladell Betts.
Chris, you got it, dude? Oh, Chris, get in there, buddy. Yo, hey, three, right there. You got it. Oh. Hey, you missed the bag! Hey, you missed the bag! Go! You missed the bag, yo! Hey, you didn't even touch the bag! Dude, he went like this over the bag! Dude, over the bag, bro!
What's one of those games?
Hey, I'm gonna get you right here, watch this.
The linebacker for the Washington Redskins, the one-man gang, Lorenzo Alexander.
He's out, boys, he's out.
No, y'all better tell us.
No, man, you should have known the rules.
Oh yeah, there's 2,000, you're out. Hey, because you started with one strike.
Those are the rules.
We know now.
So you're done.
It wasn't like he was trying to foul it out.
Hey, that's what they get for jumping over home plate, dude.
Former forward for the Maryland Terrapins basketball team, number 3, Ron Profit.
Thank you, Laurent. Thank you, Rob. There you go.
Kevin Schaefer. The columnist for the Washington Post and host of the Mike Wise Show, number 44, Mike Wise.
You shoot!
Event for the Washington Redskins, the pitcher, number 64, Kedric Golston.
Ghost, I'll spot you on the bench after this, all right?
That's basic.
Muscles don't know what they're doing right now.
Former wide receiver with the Washington Redskins, number 11, Antoine Ladell.
Communicate.
Former player with the Washington Greenhawks, number 41, Travis Ray.
Let's go! Get up! Yes! Oh, yes! Yeah!
The home run by Travis Ray. The wide receiver and returner for the Washington Redskins, number 16, Brandon Banks.
I'll tell you, it could be a double. Oh, no. Come on.
Let's go, Mack.
The guard for the Washington Wizards, number 22, Shelvin, Mack.
That's the worst call in the history of the freaking universe.
The wide
Think they
receiver
coming back
for
and
the
getting us?
Washington
They ain't coming back and
Redskins,
getting us.
number 18,
We're going to get this W and get on out of here before the storm
Terrence.
comes. Come on, Dan. Come on, son. There it is. Woo! He can't feel that. Oh.
CJ Styles Tucker. Come on, Styles, give us something, yo.
Save the run right there. That's trouble. Stay there.
Run it.
Stay there. Tell him, Ron. Tell him.
Top. Let's give us something, man.
The hot 99.5 DJ, number 92, Chris Styles.
Come on, Chris.
Drop.
That's a hit. Come on, Wise. No, Mike.
No, he had to. That's double play. No, he had to.
I was going to try to get him to hold up.
And that's a ball game with a final score of 3-2 for the athletes over the media team.